Hello class. One last video I think just on setting up this grid and template and master slide stuff. Actually there'll be another video sort of related, but just in terms of the grid. We notice that we have the grids on all the pages. This first one of course is our cover, and our cover page isn't necessarily going to be set up the same way as our other pages. So you might want to remove the grid or do something different on that page. And so I'm going to use this video just to sort of show you how to set up a B template. You don't have to, I just sort of needed a good reason to show you this because maybe you want to set up more templates, especially as you start to explore other things in your design. So I'm going to go back to pages, and I'm going to come up to master slide here, and I'm going to just hit the new page button, and we see I've got a new master slide here. Now because I set the columns as part of the Indesign file, those are going to stay, but we see that we no longer have the middle column, nor do we have the horizontal middle column. Those are on A, right? So I'm going to come back to A, we click up to A, we see them, click down to B, and we see that they are not there. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to my slide 1 here. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to say apply master page, and this dialog box will appear. I'm going to change it and say master page B and say OK, and now when I click on this page we can see the middle pages are guidelines are gone and the horizontal line is gone, but they exist here, and we can see that we have a B here on the cover page and A on the rest, and that's why this is going through. And you can have many more master pages, A, B, C, and D, and you can have things on here much more than just guidelines. You can have fields, you can have text that would reappear on each page, some sort of background color that could reappear on every page, and so on and so forth. Generally, as you saw in the previous video, I had a portfolio. I like to keep mine fairly simple because I want my work to speak and I just want to have a clean presentation, but you know, people have different views on this, and using master pages is a great way to get a lot done really easily if you're going to have something repeat on page to page. So I'll stop the video here. We're actually going to use the master page for another little trick that I use sometimes as needed. I'll explain in the next video, and we'll probably go back to it again as we sort of set up things like texts and other issues that you might run into as you start developing the portfolio. But this is sort of the basics of how you create a new master and how you apply it. All right.